Well, hello folks, it's Murray coming to you from Ol'Reds Garage. This truck has a Lokar shifter. Lokar is made in the Midwest. It's a pretty cool little company. They make a lot of shifter components, and mine has a shifter from Lokar. It's mounted in the floor, and it has a cable that runs down to the AOD transmission. This is a new Ford AOD transmission within the last 5,000 miles or so. It appears that whoever installed it may have just sort of dropped it down on the cross member, and that cable was already on there, it looks like, and it put it into a bind. Not only was it into a bind, the incorrect spacers were used when the bracket was installed. The spacers are supposed to be 3/4 of an inch tall, and they had used just some regular nuts, and they did not use the regular shifting lever arm there. So you can see I put in the 3/4 inch spacers, which better aligned that bracket to the center of that cross member. And I drilled some holes in the cross member, 1 inch holes, threaded that bracket through there and aligned perfectly. Now it should shift better. It was binding up when sometimes it would get hung in park, sometimes it would get hung in reverse, and I would have to move it around a little bit to get it to move. So I think this will fix that problem. And also the TV cable is attached there. So what I did was use part of that Lokar shifter lever and just mounted it onto the existing lever. That seemed to work good. So now the TV lever has plenty of travel, and so with the right pressure on the TV valve, it should shift just fine. Right there I'm showing that it's engaging completely in park. So when I get the truck back and get it all back together, this thing should shift a whole lot better. Yeah. So hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, or dissent. You've been watching Ol'Reds Garage Channel. Good day.